How to add best friend Bitmoji together on your Snapchat profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. As you tap on it, you can see you can create your avatar over here. Now you don't have an avatar, and whenever you see your profile, you'll not be able to see any of your Bitmoji with any other best friend. Now, in order to create a Bitmoji together with your best friend, simply tap on the friend section and tap on any of the friend over here. So let me just select a very random friend over here. And as you do that, tap on your Bitmoji icon. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on pin the particular person as your number one BFF. So as you do this, you'll be able to create or have your Bitmoji backgrounds together. But since this feature is not available in my country or the region that I'm currently in, so subscribing is currently not available, and that's why I'll not be able to add best friend Bitmoji together on my Snapchat profile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.